We've been calling out the corruption in Kisii County Assembly and in Kisii County at large. What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But I want to say that that's an act of cowardice. I have said before that I'm one person who doesn't fear anything, and I want to speak directly to the governor of Kisii County. Stop sending those people. Stop sending those boys. You've said you want my head. Just tell me where you want that head and bring it. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption. You came into power promising heaven. You came into power saying that you are fighting corruption, but you are the architect and the sole proprietor of corruption in Kisii County. We will continue calling out that. To the people who did this, I know and I've been informed, reliably informed, that it is a nominated MCA who was coordinating these boys. This is cowardice. I have been in this game. And I want to ask the security agencies to act. If they don't act, we will act. That is all I can say. Thank you.
My car, that's of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives because the security agencies have been here and have made a statement. We want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive. Asante. Thank you.
And then Omwamba Nikarema so watch. Nalenga Assembly got the Bunegariane, the motive I don't know. But because I'm here and the security agency, they have come, they have promised to dig out and know what is the motive. The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Borabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Anytime I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first, and I know that. I know the God I believe. The God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.